To diagnose a check engine light and a fault code, the first step is to use buds to check for fault codes. In this example, the fault code is for the throttle position sensor, or TPS, in the throttle actuator. Check the monitoring system and fault code section of the shop manual for additional information on the fault code, such as which circuit needs to be checked. Then refer to the TPS testing procedures in the shop manual. This will give you the correct specifications, testing points, and procedures to properly test the TPS. To fully understand what is being checked with this or any electrical issue, always study the wiring diagram in the shop manual. You need to know which components you are testing, and you need to understand the circuit you are testing. To perform the electrical test at the ECM, first remove the proper connector from the ECM, in this case, connector A. Insert the ECM adapter tool into the correct connector. As an example, let's say the shop manual specifies a test between pins A2 and F3. Locate the A2 test point. Locate the F3 test point. Touch the meter probes between these two test points. Be careful to observe the correct polarity if the shop manual specifies it. Observe the meter reading and compare it to the specification in the shop manual. Note in this test the throttle plate must be fully closed for one check and fully open for the other. By following the proper steps of checking the code, checking the shop manual for the correct procedures, and understanding what circuit you are checking in the wiring diagram, you will always obtain the correct diagnosis. When you're done testing, press in the tab on the connector. Remove the ECM adapter tool. Reconnect the ECM connector.